Unlock the treasure. Understanding cash prize. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in contests, TV shows, and competitions: cash prize. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and some common questions related to it. So, let's unlock this treasure together. The term cash prize refers to a monetary award given to winners or achievers in various competitions, lotteries, or games. Unlike trophies or other physical rewards, a cash prize is all about the money. It's a flexible and exciting reward because it gives the winner the freedom to spend it however they wish. Let's break down the two words for a clearer understanding. Cash. Money in the form of bills and coins, as opposed to checks or credit. Prize. A reward given for winning a competition or for excellence in a field. When combined, these words describe a money reward you can actually touch and spend immediately. Now, let's put cash prize into action. It can be used in various sentences to describe the award given for different accomplishments. Here are a few examples. The cash prize for the poetry competition is $500. Winners will receive a cash prize alongside a certificate of achievement. She donated her cash prize to charity. In these sentences, cash prize is often followed by an amount or described in a context that makes its meaning clear. Why do people love cash prizes? There are several reasons. Flexibility. Cash can be used for anything: bills, education, travel, or shopping. Practicality. It's immediately useful, whereas other prizes may not suit everyone's needs. Universal appeal. Money is a universally desired commodity. Contests that offer cash prizes tend to attract more participants because of these advantages. In this section, we address some FAQs. Is a cash prize taxable? Yes, in many countries, cash prizes are considered taxable income. How do I say I won a cash prize? You can say, I won a cash prize in name of competition. Can a cash prize be given in check form? While cash prizes are typically in physical currency, they can sometimes be distributed via check for larger amounts. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase cash prize. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of this term and feel confident using it in conversation and in your writing. Remember, English is a treasure trove of phrases, and each one you learn adds value to your language skills. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.